Welcome to Pick of the Week from Power Semiconductors Weekly. Top industry stories this week. SK Foundry is accelerating its silicon carbide strategy by acquiring SK Power Tech, adding proven silicon carbide processes and IP. It targets a 1200-volt silicon carbide MOSFET process by end of 2025 and dedicated silicon carbide foundry services in the first half of 2026 for EV, industrial, and renewable power. The company is strengthening reliability and customer support as silicon carbide demand grows over 24% annually. GlobalFoundries licensed 650-volt and 80-volt gallium nitride power technologies from TSMC to expand its gallium nitride portfolio and build US-based capacity at Burlington. Targeting data center, industrial, automotive, and fast-charging systems, GlobalFoundries will qualify the platform with rigorous reliability and application validation. Development starts early 2026, with production ramp later in 2026, advancing US supply chain leadership in efficient electrification. Wolfspeed and Hopewind will integrate Wolfspeed's 2.3 kW LN-Pack silicon carbide module into Hopewind's 950-volt AC wind converter. The modular, lightweight silicon carbide design targets up to 38% higher power density and 6 kHz switching, boosting efficiency and reliability. Commercial availability is planned for early 2026, scaling high-voltage silicon carbide in wind power applications. Infineon Technologies' cool-GaN bidirectional switch is designed into Enphase next-generation IQ9 microinverters, especially the IQ9 N3P commercial, enabling single-stage conversion, higher output in reliability, and lower installation BOS costs. The BDS replaces multiple unidirectional switches and cuts power loss by 68% versus silicon and 42% versus gallium nitride. Infineon is also scaling 300mm gallium nitride with over 40 recent product launches. Shinetsu and EMAG achieved a record over 800-volt breakdown on a 5μm HAMD built on Shinetsu's 300mm QST gallium nitride substrate, the highest on a semi-compliant 300mm gallium nitride. QST license from Quramis matches gallium nitride thermal expansion to reduce warpage, enabling thick-film gallium nitride at 300mm. The platform targets 650-volt and 1200-volt plus power devices for AI data centers, automotive, and industrial, with mass production preparation underway. We'll be back next week. Meanwhile, get your daily updates at powersemiconductorsweekly.com.